Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can connect your Roku app to your TV without a remote. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to connect your Roku to your TV without a remote, all you need to do is simply tap open your Roku mobile app on your phone. So once you simply tap open your Roku mobile app on your phone, ensure that both the devices are on the same network. And then use the app to connect to your Roku device and control it as your remote. So simply tap on your device in your account and then you can connect your Roku app to your TV. Then you can simply use it as a remote instead of a physical remote itself. So by following this simple and easy method, you can connect your Roku app to your TV without any remotes possible. So thank you for watching this video and we will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel and do give us a thumbs up as well. Thank you so much for watching once again.